Pastels will do. This is one of my favorite, well, this is my favorite brand I've tried, but I think this is one of the top quality oil pastels you can buy, Carandosh, and I have the big set here. So a lot of nice colors to work with, and I'll just show you quickly. So taking a big area like this that needs a lot of interesting brush strokes, you can start by doing pastels. You can also finish this technique like after this whole thing's dry, then add pastels. You can use them at any point because these are oil. Yeah, they can mix nicely in with the colors that you have. So with this technique and kind of making it your own, you have to find what marks feel right for you, and you just gotta kind of let go and have fun with it. And this is gonna get you guys to loosen up, but it does help standing so that you're not feeling too controlled with it. And just try moving your hand really quickly and like not letting go or not stopping and thinking about it. So you can do like scribbly marks, you can do kind of like loopy marks, or you want to try lots of different things. And layering the pastels, just like the paint, will give it that contrast. This is very important, to have your brush strokes and your pastel marks all going different directions and kind of going with the form or the movement that you want people to feel, basically, what makes sense with the painting. So for example, the light coming down here, then I would want these strokes, like the final layer, to be coming this way. All this in the foreground is kind of, I think, makes sense to go straight up and down. If you want like a flat kind of field that recedes, then you can do diagonal marks like this, so it feels a bit more flat. So just keep that in mind, add lots of variety. Sometimes you can like kind of just push down and stamp with your pastels. I think this area though really shows like how important it is to have that dark underneath so that your strokes on top will really come forward. And it just gives your painting more depth to it. Now that you understand how Van Gogh approached brush strokes and color, check out my free workshop, where I'll teach you how to paint more expressively, in a way that's masterful but also completely your own.